Here's how to add an admin to your Facebook page. Now you can see I have my iPhone as well as my Android. I'll walk you through the exact steps on either device, but also show you how to do it if you're on a computer as well. Now we need to get to managing as that page. So you can see the menu button at the bottom right on my iPhone or Android, or if you see three lines at the top left, tap on those, or on a computer at the top right will be your profile button. Just tap on that. After we've done that, you can see at the top, tap on that little drop down arrow and then tap on your page. In my case, Trevor's Treats. After I switch to managing as that page, I'm going to get to the settings on here. You can see tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Again, you might see the three lines at the top left or the profile at the top right. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy midway down. And then tap on Settings at the top. And then scroll down from here and you're looking for under Audience and Visibility, Page Setup. Here it is on both phones. Now tap on Page Access, third down. And here you can see people with Facebook access and people with task access and a business portfolio. To add a new admin, tap on Add New at the top right. And then it walks you through exactly what this does. Tap on the Next button and then just search for their name. In this case, I'm going to just search for my brother Tyler on here and tap on Tyler. And you can see basically it'll walk you through what this person will have access to do. And you can turn on to allow this person to have full control of this page. Now just tap on the Give Access button at the bottom. Keep in mind that won't add them as an admin because it'll send them a notification and they need to approve that and then they will be officially an admin. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.